Hello everyone. Are you in love with anyone in your life? Now I would like to tell you a story which will be very helpful in your life. Once there was a farmer in a village. He was very poor. He has one son and he was very good at his studies. So soon after his completion of his primary studies, his father sent him to city for higher studies. In his first year, he studied very well, worked very hard and got very good percentage of marks in his first year. Later in his second year, he fell in love with a girl. Then he slowly neglected his studies and got very less percentage of marks in his second year. Later on his third year, she left him and fell in love with another boy in the same class. Then this boy got depressed and neglected his studies further. One day his father came to city for seeing him. After seeing his son, father asked him, "Son, what happened to you?" Then his son explained him his entire story. Then his father hugged him and said some words like this: "Son, never cry for anyone in your life. What's meant for you will definitely be yours one day. So, first focus on your studies and get a good job. What's meant for you will definitely be yours one day." Then, after listening to his father's words, he changed himself and studied very well, and he got very good percentage of marks and got a very good job in a well reputed company. Then he went to his father and said that he got a job. Then his father hugged him and congratulated him. Then his son, with a sad face, asked his father, "Dad, what about my love life? I loved only one girl in my life and she left me." Then his father explained him the same story what he has explained him the before, that what's meant for you will definitely be yours. Then his son, with a smile on his face, went to do the job. After a few months, his father arranged him a marriage, and finally both got married. And after looking at her wife after some days, he could understand that his wife was much more caring him than his first love. Then he realized that I lost my mother in my young age, and God sent me my wife as my second mother. So finally he realized what's meant for me is mine. Okay, the moral of the story is never cry for anyone in your life. What's meant for you will definitely be yours. And nowadays, many are committing suicide and addicting to some bad habits due to their love failure. So, before you love someone, think that no one is more important than you in your life. First of all, focus on your goals and get succeeded in your life. Then, what's meant for you will definitely be yours. I think this will be a very helpful message for everyone who is watching this video. Thank you.